everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Daniel. I'm your host, your guy in a wheelchair.
Guy in the chair.
And today we're going to be watching the first minutes of the Shield trailer, movie, show, whatever. So, enjoy everybody.
Back to what I was saying before, my theory.
Oh, God.
Steve Rogers did not have a girlfriend before he went into the service.
Says who?
The History Channel. So he becomes Captain America, and from that moment on, a symbol of America, he is rushed to the front lines, he becomes a war hero, then he is frozen in ice.
Right.
So, based on everything you've told me, after he gets unfrozen, he goes from world-threatening disaster to world-threatening disaster. That's when he's not a fugitive from the law, right? So it seems like he was pretty busy.
All you're doing is repeating everything that I've already told you about my friend and colleague.
Obviously, Captain America was a virgin.
Look out!
It's coming out Thursday. Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that opening thing of the show. Episode 1 is the first minute or so. But we gotta agree, why does it matter what Steve Rogers' sexual orientation is if he's a virgin or not? He was still Captain America. But if you liked it, don't forget, give me one of them. Comment down below and then subscribe for more. Yeah, no need for that, but see you tomorrow.